Hi, my name is Lionel Warhay, and this is my 2018 bike check. Starting off with the frame, I have a Diamondback Assault frame. Up front, I'm running a RockShox Argyle RCT in 100mm travel. For my brakes, I'm running Avid XX brakes with a 160mm rotor, Deity high side bars and 50mm rise with a Transition Bike Stem FS8 orbital headset. I'm running Fly Rubin grips with Primo bar ends. For my drivetrain, I'm running Raceface Chester cranks with Deity compound pedals. I'm running a 32 tooth chainring in the front and a 13 in the rear with a Shadow Conspiracy race chain. I'm running Maxxis DTH tires in a 2.3. For my wheel sets, I'm running Profile Racing Elite hubs laced to Spank Tweet 28 wheels. For my seat, I'm running a P-Series seat that I've covered in leather with a P-Series seat post. Covered in leather with a P-Series seat post clamp. Titanium driver, and I got them laced to Speed. Go ahead, stop. Not 100% sure what I want to talk about.
He's got one.
Oh, hold on.